Hello everyone. Welcome you all to today's topic of class 8, editing errors and omission. My dear student, it is page number 115. You can open your book and see this topic, editing errors and omission. What is this editing? I hope you have come across this word editing. That means to add something and changed its form, right? Editing what? Errors and omission. Omission means to erase, to remove, and error means mistakes. So what you are going to so here what we are going to edit, we are talking about grammar. So we are going to edit, we are going to find error, we are going to omit that error and do the editing and rectify that particular sentence, or we can say we can change the word which is wrong or which needs any editing, and we will give a new form to that particular sentence, my dear student. So here we are going to read the topic editing errors and omission. Why we give this error and omission inside the bracket? As we know in punctuation, what is this use of bracket in punctuation? The use of bracket in punctuation is additional information. So the main topic here is editing what? Errors and omission, right? So let us read what exactly this error and omission is. So here you can see in your book, the first line is underlined. Editing requires a watchful eye to detect various errors in functional grammar. Errors may be in the use of noun, pronouns, degree of adjectives, adverbs, tenses, articles. So my dear student, this all the part of speech of this grammar. If it is used in a particular sentence, then you should be a keen observer. You should go through the sentence and find that whether the noun is correct or not, whether the pronoun is correct or not, whether the degree of adjective is okay, whether adverb is okay. So in this way, you need to find out each and every mistake in that particular sentence, whether the sentence is correct or wrong. And in what case you will find the error? You need to check noun, pronoun, degree of adjectives, adverbs, tenses, and articles. So in this way, you can find the error and you can do the editing. That is the use of editing in functional grammar. And what it is written, in order to edit a passage correctly, knowledge of functional grammar is very much essential, my dear student. If you don't know grammar, then how can you know, how can you recognize what is noun, what is pronoun, what is degree of adjectives? So for that reason, you need to have the basic knowledge of functional grammar. Then only you can read the sentence properly, you can understand the concept, and you can find out that which word is wrong, and instead of that particular word, which word you are going to place on that particular word. So this is called editing errors and omission. Now let us see this exercise. You can see the first one. Look at the word between you. So here between is underlined. Do you think this sentence is correct? Look at the word between you. Between you or around you? Yes, it should be around you. That is the reason, my dear student, in this particular sentence, look at the word between you, where between is underlined. That means between is the error. You need to omit that word, and instead of that, you need to do editing. That means add the word instead of between, you need to write around. So next sentence is, banks are shifting to computer basing. Here basing is underlined, my dear student. Do you think this basing is suitable along with this computer word? No. It should be based. It should not be basing. So in that way, if we read the sentence by adding based, it will be like this, like banks are shifting to computer based systems and telephone lines have the keys. Have, again it is underlined, so instead of have we will use are. And telephone lines are the keys for vast information or to vast information resources. So my dear student, in this way you need to find error and omission in this particular exercise. So I hope the topic is clear to you. So the first one, I helped you to understand that how you need to find out error, how you need to omit it and add new word to it by underlining the error word. So in this way, my dear student, please do the exercise of this 2 and 3rd, and the more you practice, the more you will be confident in this particular topic. So if you face any kind of problem, please feel free to ping me up in my personal window. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you all.